So this is what my bedroom looks like before. This is the dresser that I'm going to replace with the Armoire. And I'm going to move that dresser right here underneath my TV and finally get rid of this box I have sitting there for 3 years. I also want to get a nightstand to put on either side of the bed. So if you're interested in seeing how I transform my room from this to this, keep on watching.
Ever.
So we are putting up my little armor. I'm stuck in the corner here.
Maybe it's a programming glitch?
I went with the PAX wardrobe system from IKEA. You start with the frame and you can customize it to be however you want it to be. Here's some inspo pictures. Bob the Builder. So my house has this weird little nook in my bedroom, and I felt like this Armoire would be the perfect location. It fit perfectly, and this frame was easy to put together. It was just getting it in this tight space.
If you can reach back there, we should try and let here.
Yes,
It's best to the left.
Okay.
Not on the floor, on the side. Are you able to reach? There. You can hit the wall.
Woo!
Yep, that's there.
So now we're working on the drawers. Now these drawers were freaking sold out. It took me a while to get everything. So we went to the store and we picked up a few things, and then I had to drive all the way to Virginia. It was like an hour away to pick up some of the drawers because they were just sold out for months. So it took a little while to complete the whole purchase. And even you'll see at the end of this video, I didn't complete the jewelry drawer because I couldn't find the inserts. They were all sold out. So this is a very popular system, and this was also recorded 2 years ago, so right in the height of COVID. So I'm sure everyone was trying to renovate and do things around the house, and I'm the same way. What are you doing? Oh no, did you hurt yourself? You done?
Yeah.
So we are putting the drawers, well, he is basically putting the drawers together, and I just love this whole system. I was able to customize it however I want it, and I really wish I had more space for more of these because it looks so beautiful in my room. But yes, we are going in doing the drawer, starting from the bottom, and now we're here. You can see his son is actually helping / wanting to be in the camera, so you'll see a little hand, few little fingers every once in a while. So the drawers are pretty easy to put together. You really just follow the instructions. IKEA furniture has instructions, and they're like so detailed. It's like step-by-step instructions, so you cannot go wrong. I called Chris over because this was not for me. It was either him do it or I pay like $100, $200 for the delivery people to put it together. So I figured I could have Chris do it. So we're on the last piece. This is the jewelry insert. and it looks like he's having a little difficulty putting it on the track, but in the end it worked. So this is what it currently looks like. We are not done yet because we need to screw the top onto the wall so that it doesn't fall over when I put things up top. So we have to, I just bought some things from Amazon because for some reason it didn't come with this Armoire. So I bought a little connector from Amazon that will be able to drill a hole into the wall and connect this Armoire to my wall. And so close up we have this glass shelf here. We have this pull-out insert here, and we're going to, well actually Christopher is going to make me like a little insert for my jewelry. And then we have this glass drawer. I think it's so pretty. And then 3 other drawers down below. These are regular drawers, but I think this is just so pretty. Well, right now I am going to vacuum out the shelves and clean them, wipe them down, and then put my liner. I bought some liner from Amazon that I'm going to be lining the drawers with, and then I'm going to start putting my clothes in there because if you guys see my room, my other room, my guest room over there, the bed is a mess. I might take a picture and put it in right here, but it's a mess, and it's because I've run out of space, or I just have too many clothes and I need to give some away, or both. So yes, I'm going to clean out the drawers and then put these little liners in, and then we're going to put my clothes in. So this is so exciting. So I'm getting ready to put the lining in my drawers, and I don't know why, but I use lining for everything. My cabinets in my kitchen and all my drawers and my dressers and my bedrooms. So it's just a habit. So I am kind of like a semi-germaphobe. I have to clean every single thing that I use. This was no different. I used my vacuum to get some of the dust that had collected in the drawers. And then I got my liners together, and then I started measuring and cutting. The first one I tried to measure it while it was in the drawer, and then the second time I just used a tape measure to kind of measure out what length I would need for the remaining liners. So now that all the drawers are lined and cleaned, I can put my clothes in it. So I like to put the jeans and the heavier pieces at the bottom and the lighter pieces at the top. So you'll see swimsuits at the top and jeans on the bottom. Okay, for now, this is what we have. I want to have my stuff color coded, so I tried, but we're not done. I'm about to go to sleep because I'm tired. It's been a long day. But here we're going to have swimsuits because I have so many now. If you haven't checked out my Shein haul, you have to check that out. And then here right now it's just like rompers and cute blouses and dresses and jumpsuits and things like that. But once I get this squared away, I'll be moving these rompers up to the top, and then I'll have this space. I'm gonna use it for crop tops and other cute tops that don't fit up there. And then this right now is going to be my lounging clothes. So I love cheetah print. If you can't tell, like, majority of this drawer is cheetah print. Cheetah print. So this is a lounging wear. I bought a lot of lounging stuff because of COVID. And this stuff, I always put my jeans and the heavy things at the bottom. So I have a few pair of jeans right here for now. And then a sweater. It's a light sweater because it has little holes in it. So it's for summer, of course. But yes, this is what I have for now. And I'll come back in a few days and I'll show you what I'm working with later. Peace out. This is a couple days later. I had to wait for the furniture anchor to come from Amazon so that Chris can put it up behind the Armoire so that it doesn't follow me when I'm trying to use it, or even when I'm not trying to use it. It just doesn't follow me, period. So I will link that in the description box. I got it from Amazon. It was like probably less than $30, but it's really good. And it sucks that it didn't come with the wardrobe. So using Windex because I have the glass shelf on top. Then showing you guys my hangers. I also got these from Amazon. Link will be in the description box. I am trying to make all of my closets kind of uniform with the hangers that I'm using. And I'm also trying to color code my clothing so that it looks really neat and uniform. So using the hangers, I'm going to, of course, spray them with Lysol, Febreze if I need to, and then start hanging my clean clothes up. Like I said, this was 2 years ago, so it was summer at the time, and I put in my summer clothes up. Absolutely love my wardrobe. It looks beautiful, and it takes up the space perfectly. I will do part 2 and show you guys how I put together the jewelry inserts. But since that happened 2 years later, I just wanted to do this first video as like a little setup, and then you can just see the process. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and click the subscribe button and the bell to be notified whenever I post. And until the next one, see ya. Bye.